Buzz off. Hello and welcome. Let's have a look at this. Zodiac Toys sold this for £2.95. I don't know when that was. A mate of mine has just given me this to have a look at and see if we can get it to work. Take care of your Buzz off. A replacement buzzer can be purchased from Action Games limited by sending a postal order or a cheque for £1. Includes VAT, postage and packaging. I bet they wouldn't honour that now. Okay. Let's put the box over to one side. I think I see the problem. There's a wire missing. So let's start off and let's even see if, amazingly, the buzzer works. Oh wow. So what we've got to do is make an electrical connection back to this. This is tarnished. This, I feel, is probably steel. So there's a little gap under that. I wonder how the connection was made back in the day. I don't know. That feels as though it should go there and click into there. Yep. That feels as though that should go there with that connected onto it. Okay, so that's a bit loose. I think perhaps we'll replace that battery connector and do the same with the other battery connector. I mean, I'm assuming that that's not meant to just spring up and touch on there. No, it wouldn't be, would it? It'd potentially be in the right place, but I'm going to put a cable on it. So let's find some crimps that are the right size to connect to this battery to start off with. Give me a second. First thing I'm going to do, very thin wire that is, isn't it, is put another connector back on here. Hopefully that grips that. You know what it does? I'm going to give that a squeeze down. I'm also going to reduce the length of the cable, the wires on them, just for the sake of it. Okay, so that now goes onto there and makes a good connection. Okay, so far so good. Let's get another piece of wire and we'll do the same. Now, I think all I can do with this cable to get this to connect is strip some off it and just sort of twist it round it. I can get my fingers in. This is just down here. You can see I'm just sort of trying to get this to go underneath that there, under there. It don't happen. There's any movement. Yeah, there's. Okay. Okay, that's a bit of a win. Right, this has come apart, so I'm going to get a loop connector and put a loop connector on this wire. I'll make myself a cable about that long, I think. Just need to fix some rather random things this last few days. Okay, so now that's come off there, I can push that back onto there like that, and that will make the electrical connection. That's the hope. I can't really hold it so you can see, unfortunately. Doesn't make good video-ness, does it? You see, I've got that like that. Then I push that onto there like that, and I'm just going to push that back there, and I'm going to check the other one and just do the same with the other one. Okay, that's gone together. Amazing. And push that onto there and just give the end of the cable a little crimp on the end of the crimp. The same with that end. I've already given that a little crimp. There we go. With a little hope. Okay. It's making noise. So let's clip the buzzer back into its place on its post. Put that into its place on its posts. Pull this through here. And now we can try badly and see how many times we can set it off. Well, there we go. I wonder if I can actually do it. Let's give it a go. Yeah, right. I'm never any good at these. The only way I find I could do these was put insulation tape around them. But there we go. That's working. A blast from the past. An old toy. Buzz off. Cool. Well, thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this. And gives you the confidence to have a look at things and try and bring things back to life. Thank you. Please hit the subscribe and the other buttons, etc. Have a good day. Thank you. Bye-bye.